Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
So when you go into the permission group, even here, also suppose when you go and take any of permission group, okay. While creating, we can able to go and see, but some permission groups. Let me delete it so that it does not be any confusion. Okay, so let me go and take it here. We here it new if I'm just going something and specifying a group name as this run, as we are. Okay, and I'm giving you that group name as the registry. Okay, this is the name right here and I need to add a member. Okay, so what I will do. I will open a user here to have understanding. And next I will go and take. And I will go to all the knowledge and information. Okay, here you can see the company. Business will be division. All this information. Okay, so while creating it, I can directly in that type the username as Alex also, but let me show you, okay, how I will go in a very detail the process of creating the group, so I will take the company name as 5100. So here do we have the company name, for there are certain changes. I can see the company here. What the hell is that? I need to take some other category. Yeah, there is a country in the outside. No, not the country, but the company name. How many? 2. 2. 1. Okay, so that is the thing I will take. Location here. So what is the location here? This is the location. Let me search this location for PDS. And I will paste it here. Search for the location. So what question is this month for? What question is this month for? What question is this month for? What question is this month for PDS? Still, location is function. Okay, if that is the thing, if it is not taking the location and the department, let me check if department is there or not. If I'm taking the department, department is there. Let me search for the department also. With code here. Okay, we can check the department. I will select it and I will click on Done. And now I have to refresh it by clicking on Update. So how many members are showing? So I'm giving these members as the group members for the leadership group and I will click on Done. So we can see the full active members are showing here. Okay, and I can go, and now when I go here, this is coming under definition, but granted permission goal, it is totally blank right now. Okay, because I have not created any permission goal. Okay, so what I will do now? I will already have a duplicate screen. I will go to the permission goal. Okay. And what I will do? I will do the year to Google by clicking on the near queue. And after that I will specify here also the same thing. Run as here, like this, and here you will later. And then to go to the chat. I have seen the second channel. Jumpom bringing up the link finding the lechpom. Okay, I will go now. I created the name and description. Click on the permission. When you people will go and do it while adding the member you add. The member which you have created from your own nose. Don't take the member which is already there in the system. So in the permission group when you add a member, suppose you are keeping a single member also, but that number should be created by your own. Okay, you have a more accuracy. And after that, when you go and create a permission role, when you come by taking on permission here. Okay, we have seen the three main categories. One is employee central effective data. Then we have employee view and also we have employee data. Yes. So when you go into these employee central effective data and employee data, you have view and edit option. Yes, okay, don't give the edit option. Only give the view option. Okay, so you are giving the view option and finally mapping this permission to the member which is there in that particular group which you have created. Okay, so now we have a member. How many members are there? 4 members are there. Okay, so when I will proxy to any of this 4 member and after proxy into it, I will go into their account, right? After going into their account. Now it is whose account? My account. Right, it is my account. When I enter into their account. After I am taking into their account, when I search for any of the user while opening an employee profile, I should only see the view option, not the edit option. Okay, because in the non-effective data port lacks for employee data I have given the view option. Okay, this is one of the scenario. First we need to check. Okay, how we need to check? Because, see, if you're taking some data which is already there in the system, what will be? The consequence is that maybe that employee profile for which you are adding into the group, that employee profile, will be also connected with some other permission. Okay, so although you are giving a view permission here, when you are testing you will find that that user is also having edit permission, but I have only given the view permission. The reason is that because that user may be also connected with other permission rule. And that permission rule is also overlapping with your permission. That is the reason that when you're processing that user is also getting the edit option. Got it? So that is the reason, whenever you try from your end, make sure that you create your own profile. And I will also tell you other configuration tool in RBP so that you will be clear that, to check that, so that this user is not connected with.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.